Hello students, today we are going to look at an activity which shows that the roots are responsible for the absorption of water. For that we have taken 4 test tubes here and we are marking these test tubes as A, B, C and D. Okay, and in all these test tubes that we are going to add some water. Okay, so here also this blue colored shade that you can see, this is water. Here also water is added, here also water that we are taking. And in B tube we are adding 1 drop of oil also. Okay, we will add 1 drop of oil on this water. Here also we will add 1 drop of oil. Here only water will be there. Okay, and you can see that there is a color change for this tube, like tube number C is having a reddish color. Why it is? Because we have added 1 pink dye in it. Okay, water is added already, and in the water we are adding the carmine. Carmine is a pink dye, so that it is having a pinkish color, otherwise a reddish color it has got. Okay, and we require the balsam plant. Okay, a small sized balsam plant which is having root also we have taken over here. And why balsam? What is the specialty of balsam? Balsam is almost a transparent plant. If there is any color change inside the stem and the leaf, we can observe it. Okay, up to an extent it is transparent. That's why we have selected balsam plant. So what is the setup? We are having 4 tubes here and we are labeling it as A, B, C and D. And all these test tubes that we are going to add water, and in A, B and C we are taking this much water, otherwise the same level of water, 1/3 of this tube we are taking water, and here we are taking very less water only. Okay, and in B and C we will add 1 drop of oil also. What is the need of oil? If we are dropping one drop of oil, if we are pouring inside, it will act like a layer on the water and it will prevent the evaporation. That's why we have taken 1 drop of oil in B and C. And in D, very less amount of water is there, and we are not going to put any oil at all here in this D. Okay, and as I have told you, we are adding the pink dye inside the C tube, and we inserted the plant inside B, C and D. In B and C you can see that the roots of this plant is inside the water. Here also the roots are inside the water, here also it is inside the water, but in the case of D the roots are not touched to the water. Okay, there is a gap in between the water level and the roots, means this plant is not having any contact to the water. Okay, so this is the condition. And the A tube that we are going to close with a cork, by using a cork we will close it. Okay, and we are keeping this setup for 24 hours, and after that we are going to observe what is the changes. And initial water level also we are marking over here. We have to mark up to which level the water was. And after 24 hours when we are coming back to the setup, we can see that there will not be any change in the quantity of the water in tube A, because we were closed this tube already by using a cork, so that the evaporation is not happening over here. So how much water that we have taken over here, the similar will be here in this tube, no change will be there. And what about B? In B you can see that there will be a decrease in the level of water. So firstly it was up to this and it is decreased this much. Okay, and why it is decreasing? It will not be surely because of evaporation, because we have added oil over there and oil layer is there above the water level, so that the evaporation will not take place, and where gone? The roots absorb this water inside. Okay, that's why you can see that the balsam plant is still fresh. Okay, So it was absorbing the water from the tube. That's why the level of the water decreased and the plant will be fresh also. And here also you can see that there will be a decrease in the water level. Initially it was up to this, and now there is a little bit decrease in the level of the water that you can see. And where it gone? Surely it is absorbed by the roots. And here in this plant you can see a pink tinge inside the stem and the leaves. Okay, as I have told you earlier, this plant is a balsam plant, so that it is transparent. So if it is absorbing something colorful, we can observe from outside the color. Okay, so inside the stem and the leaves also we can feel the pink tinge. Means this water entered in the stem and the leaves. How it entered? By means of the roots. Okay, roots absorb this water. Now it is present, and this plant is also fresh because it got water already. And what about the D tube? See, we have seen that the plant, when at the time when we put this plant inside, it was fresh. Okay, and there is a gap in between the water level and the plant. Means the roots were not touching over the water here, so that it didn't get the water. It didn't get the water, so that the plant started to wilt. Otherwise, it will shrink. Okay, and this plant is wilted because it didn't get the water enough. That means the roots are absorbing water. Here also and here also, both these plants are fresh because it got water by the roots. Here the water was there, but the roots were not touching the water, so that was unable to absorb the water. That means roots are the parts by which the plants are absorbing water. Okay, this is a simple activity. It can become for a 4-mark question or a 5-mark question. All of you have to go through that. And in the next class, we are going to look at the next activity, and that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.